Can you really get an unfair advantage and make $50 a day with this new money making system? Find out next. What's up, guys? Welcome to Real Internet Cash. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about a new money-making system that just came out. So I decided to check it out because it looked pretty appealing. I haven't done these in a while, so I actually got it. I'm gonna share with you what I think and keep it absolutely real. But no matter what I say, I'm gonna put a link to the new system in the description. So if you want to check it out for yourself, you can do so. So anyway, the name of this system is called Unfair Advantage. It comes from a marketer named Tom E. I guess his partner Vic. I think it's Cardi, something like that. Vic Cardi, I think. We'll just say it's Cardi. But anyway, these two, I guess, got together to come up with this system. And the big thing about it is they advertise on their sales page. The big thing is how you can make $50 a day, right? With their system, this untold, unheard of method that you can use to start making money online, passive income, right? So I'm like, all right, let me check this out. All right. So I got the course. So what do I think about it? First and foremost, it's a good course, right? It's very, very newbie friendly, which I always look for, in any course. And like I said, I've been doing this for 12 years now, internet marketing and stuff. So I pretty much seen it all. And a lot of times, when people talk about making money courses, some people like, is it newbie friendly? Can anybody do it? Like, I have no experience. Could my grandma do it? Can my mom do it? Whatever. That's what people want to know. And this is definitely a newbie friendly course. So you might be thinking, yeah, that's nice, but what is it about, right? What's this course about? All right. Now, basically, this course, without revealing too much about it, I don't want to, out of respect to them, but basically, it's a course that teaches you how to make money from Amazon, right? Basically, being an Amazon affiliate, they show you how you can start making money pretty much instantly, right? And you might be watching this like, dude, I've heard of it. Like Amazon associate, been there, done that, boom, boom, boom. I know how to make money with it. And when I first got the course and I looked inside of it, I'm like, man, Amazon, come on, dog. I've been making money on Amazon for like 5 years now. But I wanted to review this course, so I went through the whole course. And I was very surprised to see. Now, obviously, I knew the techniques, like individually, what they were teaching in this course. But like the way they put it together and certain little things that they put in there, little things that I learned was like, whoa, like I did not know that. Like they really did put some little hidden gems in this program that I'm sure will open up a lot of people's eyes, even people that's been doing the whole make money online thing for a while. You will most likely be like, I didn't think of that. I really didn't think of that. And to be fair, they show you, and I'm not going to reveal everything, but it's using how to make money with Amazon affiliate using video, right? Using video marketing. So just, giving you a little bit more info what this is about. You combine Amazon affiliate with video marketing, and the strategy that they use in the course, I'm like, oh yeah, this definitely can make money. This definitely can make money if somebody actually goes through the course step by step and follow the steps. I'm pretty sure anybody can make money with this, and that's why I'm excited to share this with people, because this is, like I said, very newbie friendly. Anybody can do this. Really, anybody can do this. So anything, I'm trying to think of anything I didn't really like about it. Let me think. Not really. I can't really say anything about it. It's a short course, by the way. It's very easy to comprehend. They do have some upsells. Let me talk about that real quick. They do have some upsells in the program. I did get the first upsell. All right, so the original this course is only $17. So that's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. But then they do have an upgrade because they provide the software as part of the system. Okay, you get this system to help you find different things that you need, for your videos, and they have an upgrade. Okay, that's a one-time, I think, $37 fee, and it gives you more access to the software. So technically, I don't think you need the upgrade. It just depends on what you're trying to do, how much you're trying to do. I did get it, and then it had maybe, I think, one more upgrade I did not get because I felt like I didn't need it, right? So overall, I'm gonna actually implement this system and put my own little twist on it. Um, and see what happens. But I'm definitely gonna try this out for myself. Find some time for it, and let you know. But definitely, can you make $50 a day with this method? I definitely think you could with this system. Very, very easy to understand. Very easy to get started. And let me think. Besides the cost of this course, let me think. Do you need any money to do this? No, you don't. You can actually, once you get the course and learn it, you can actually start this process absolutely free, especially if you have a website. Let me take it back. It might take you might have to spend $1. I will say that. You might have to spend $1, and you'll see what that's about in the course, but you might not even have to do that, guys. So if you're serious about making money online, you're looking for a way to make money online, you might want to check out Unfair Advantage. Link in the description of this video. If you have any questions about it, leave them below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. All right. Be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.